Okay, so today, tata, anyị ga-eme ihe a na-akpọ mgbanye na mwepụ, meaning adding and removing. So, in the sense that ihe a na-ekwu ya n'Igbo wụ ihe wụ ya na ihe na-awụghị ya. Okay? For example, ịma atụ. Pick these words when I'm saying them. Ịma atụ, of course, you know what it is. So, ọ bụrụ na ị ga-esi na you didn't do something, okay? You did it. O emere m ya. I mere ya. O mere ya. Ha mere ya. Uno mere ya. But then when you're trying to say no, it's not true. It didn't go that way. Okay. Emege mi ya. And don't forget the word. Don't forget why I use e. Emege mi ya. For example, when it comes to verb, you're going to remove, you have to put a in front of the verb to be able to conjugate it, to make a sentence. Okay. So, for example, if you want to say, bia, to come, which is the verb, then you're going to put a in front of that bia, remove the a. We did this before, but I'm trying to make sure that everybody is not out there because we're going to start reading again. So, so abia, now you put a in front of that abia. Okay, let me share a page. Okay, so Tata, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do the negations by adding GHI, which is G. That's what it is. G. So for example, negative present tense, then negative present continuous tense. So you have to put, let's leave it like that. Remove the infinitive marker and then add GHI. So this is what you're adding here. And we're going to do some today. When I call your name, I want you to put it the right way. So you add a in front of the verb. Meaning if you're going to say abia means to come. Abia means to come. Okay? So to come now, if you're going to do that, when you say abia, you can say abia rem. So you added this GHI there. Abiarem. Obiare. Did I repeat it? I think I repeated myself. So you're going to say abiarem. Abiarem. What you added the GHI. Ha abiare. This a should be there. Ha abiage. Uno abiage. Biage. Only when you say biage. Biage. So don't be confused here. Biage, you did not come. So I don't want you to be confused. So now when you say you did not come, it should be you. Remember, you is direct when you're looking at that person. You did not come. Biage. So it's gonna be a. Okay? Bia. Re. I broke it in syllable. Not that that's the way you're supposed to write it. So it's supposed to be together. A biage. Or you can leave it separate. It is still correct. A biage. But can somebody tell me if we should punctuate anyo kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ n'okpuru e ka ọ bụ na anyị ekwesịghị? Ọ bụrụ na isi na a ga-etinye ma ọ na aga etinye, ga-ekwa m ihe mere na anyị agaghị etinye. Ngwa Chiamaka.
We should punctuate.
Anyị ga-eme gịnị?
We should punctuate the I.
Okay. Kwuo ya n'Igbo Chiamaka. Why does this thing keep plugging? Okay. Chiamaka, kwuo ya n'Igbo.
which is the dot.
I want you to say yes. We're
A.
going to put dot underneath the I in Igbo.
I
Mhm.
etinye form.
Anyị ga.
Anyị ga-etinye form.
Keep going.
I want to say
What is
on.
underneath? What is underneath? I think
Amaghị.
it's about time we do verb and adverbs to help you.
Amaghị.
Okay. Underneath is in okpuru.
Okpuru. I.
Anyị ga-etinye kpọm ma ọ bụ ntụpọ. Okay, but it's good you say kpọm. Anyị ga-etinye kpọm na okpuru.
N'okpuru. E.
Okay. Okay, gịnị mere iji sị na anyị ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru ya?
E. Which is I.
Gịnị mere? What did I ask you? Gịnị mere ijiri sị? Okay, let me go ahead and write it. Gịnị mere ijiri sị na anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru e? So it's
Yeah.
a interrogative, it's a question. And we have some interrogative questions. Okay, gịnị mere? Let me say it. Okay. Gịnị mere ijiri gịnị mere ijiri sị na gịnị mere ijiri sị na anyị ga-etinye kpọm na anyị ga-etinye kpọm na okpuru? Don't forget I say N-A and N-N. Okay? Contrasting it. Anyị ga-etinye kpọm na okpuru. Okpuru. E. Okay, is a question. Gịnị ka, so what did I ask you? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe anyị jụrụ Chiamaka ebe a?
Are you asking me why we should put a dot underneath the I?
What exactly did I say here in this sentence? Right? Look at this sentence. Gịnị mere? You have to. Gịnị mere? What when you the thing is this, I want you guys to picture this. Remember your pronouns, because if we miss to understand this pronoun, paying attention when it comes in a sentence, then we're not going to get it. This pronoun is very, very important. What is this A referring to in pronoun? What is it?
You.
What pronoun is that?
You.
Then, okay. Gịnị mere? You know what is gịnị? We did interrogative before. Gịnị mere? Ijiri sị. Sị means why you say. Why you say that. Okay, this is exactly what I asked you. Gịnị mere? Why? Okay. Did you? Why did mere is did. A is you. Jiri sị, you said. Okay. Nani, that we ga-etinye, we put, etinye means to put. Mom, which is period or dot. Na okpuru, underneath. A, I, which is A. Okay, so why did you say we should put it?
Because you taught us that when there's an A.
What is because? What's the meaning of because? Kadanya mo here because.
Maka.
Hmm?
Maka.
Makana. Okay.
Maka. Makana. A is
Keep going. That's how you learn. I want you to try it. You said because so say it in Igbo, in English. Because what?
Because there's an A in the word, and you said it as a tip when we're trying to figure out if there's an I or not.
And
If
what
there's
is that A? What is it? The vowels, right?
the vowels when it's
That's the
I.
vowels. So the vowels, you cannot combine vowels. And when you see A in that word, you should know any vowel there. Pay attention. Any vowel should be punctuated. If it's an I, already has a dot on top. O kwesịrị inwekwa ntụpọ n'okpuru ya. If it is an O, that O should have a dot. If it is a U, then the U should have a dot. So that's basically what it is. So, which is right. You are correct. Okay. So we should punctuate A, all the A's here. We should punctuate all the A's following your vowels. Make sure you follow your vowels. If we have E's here, then we should not punctuate them. But you have to know why. Chiamakadalo. Okay, so I hope everybody will understood what we are doing here. GHI, trying to put it in a negative form. Now, so interrogative, we're gonna do this, practice this with interrogative pronouns. Okay, asking you a question. Onye bịara, gịnị mere? Ị bụ onye? All these things. So we have a lot of what, who, where. See that? So these are interrogative pronouns. When you say something like, this is what I want you to do. When I call your name, you're going to answer this in present continuous tense, future tense, and past tense. Okay. So, for example, here, we said the question is, Onye biara. Okay. And then the answer should be, nobody came. Okay. Onye biara means who came. That's what it is. Who came? The question. Now, your answer should be nobody came. Nobody came. Okay. All right. So, I need a volunteer to do the fourth, second, and third. So, I want somebody to volunteer before I start calling you. So, who is going to volunteer? If you don't volunteer, I'm going to call. You know that? I'm going to start calling, and I'll make sure I finish everybody before this class is over today. Okay, Ebuka, I'm going to get on you. Uh-huh. And Ebuka, mụ na gị ga-ekwu, kedu oge ị ga-enwe ohere ma emesịa tata, kedu oge ị ga-enwe ohere nke mụ na gị ga-akpa maka ahịrịokwu, which is your own. Isiokwu means the topic of your speech. I hope you're still preparing to come, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So emesịa, zitere m ozi, gwa m zitere m ihe edemede, gwa m oge ị ga-enwe ohere tata ka mụ na gị kpaa.
Okay.
Na mgbede, ị ga-aga ọrụ na mgbede tata?
Yeah.
Kedu oge ị ga-eji alata? Asụkwala m oyibo, ana m anụzi oyibo.
Echi.
O echi ka ị ga-alabata. Kedu oge ị ji agakwanụ? Kwuokwa ya n'Igbo. Kedu oge ị ga-eji aga, meaning the time you'll be going?
Aga m aga na.
Aga m agaba.
Na elekere iri na ụtụtụ.
Excuse me. Ebuka, please. Timmy, you said you're going tonight, right?
Yeah, well, okay, sorry. I thought you said, am I doing anything tonight?
No. You said you'll be going to work. And then I said, what time today, right? You said you'll be going to work. So you aga m agaba n'elekere iri, which means tonight, right?
No, elekere iri, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock at night.
No, I said na ụtụtụ. Echi.
So you are going in the morning tomorrow, not today. Then why did you tell me you won't be available tonight?
I'm not giving you.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Listen, Listen, just because we are having fun, laughing about it, doesn't mean it should discourage you. Always say it, and you are doing very well. And guys, everybody, when I met Ebuka back home, I met Ebuka on Christmas time. Ebuka is from the same hometown. So Ebuka was speaking Igbo. Everybody, we are so proud of Ebuka. I have to tell you guys this. And Ebuka is coming to the event we have June 8th. He's one of the keynote speakers. So Ebuka is doing very well. And most of you are doing well too. I want to see you guys speaking that Igbo like Ebuka. It's not been a long time Ebuka registered, but he is doing very well. So I just want you all to try. Even if you're not getting it, keep trying. And that's why you're in this class to learn. So we have fun learning this language, okay? Whether we all are laughing, that's what it takes. Just don't worry about it. Okay, I don't want anybody to be too serious about it. Have fun learning it. Okay? All right, so Ebuka mesa muna nga akpọ gị ka mụ na gị kpaa maka ị nụla?
Okay.
Gịnị wu okay? Yes. Gịnị wu okay? I said it before in this class. Come see, gịnị wu okay?
Oh.
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 Daalụ. Okay, Ebuka ngwa gị nwa ka nke a ruru n'aka. Ka m si ị na-eweli aka enu gịnị nke ị chọrọ ikwu?
I wanted to answer the question. I want to volunteer.
Then if you can't say it in Igbo, then you're not answering it. Achọrọ m ime gịnị?
Achọrọ
m ịza ya.
Achọrọ m ịza ya.
Ngwa chere ka Ebuka zachagodu. Nke gị na-abịa. Ebuka ngwa.
Nobody came. Boo.
Onye bịara. Then I gave you example. Who came? So this is in the past tense, okay? So this is past tense now. All right. Okay, so nobody came. Achọziri nke ịza ya n'Igbo. Kuzie ya n'Igbo.
Onweghị onye bịara.
Onweghị. Everybody pay attention to this GH. GH. Everybody should pay attention to what we are doing. Onweghị onye bịara. Normally, to show that you know your Igbo very well, but that would be like an advance. Onweghị onye bịara no. So that no should be there. But that's in advance. But you got it. Onweghị onye bịara. So onweghị onye bịara no. So pay attention to that. If you come learn it now, go ahead and learn it and put it in your portfolio. That's good. So that will show that you know your Igbo very well. Onweghị onye bịara no. Dala Ebuka ngwa. Ebuka ọgwụbeghị. Who is coming? Kedeti ga-eshi ajụ ya na Igbo.
Who is coming, boo? Onye na-abịa.
Onye na-abịa. The answer, Ebuka. Achọrọ ka egwu anyị etuche gị ekwe na English and Igbo. No Igbo na Igbo.
Okay, so answer who is coming?
Who is coming? Remember, we are doing negative now. Negation, okay?
Oh, no one is coming.
Okay, no one is coming. No one or nobody is coming, okay?
Which would be onweghị onye na-abịa. Na-abịanụ.
Okay. Onweghị onye na-abịanụ. Good. Ebuka added it. Onweghị onye na-abịanụ. Did you notice something here? When you said nobody came, onweghị onye bịaranụ. Now, when you say nobody is coming, onweghị onye na-abịa, I need you to pay attention to what you are putting there. When is past tense, present, continuous tense, and future tense. So you all need to pay attention to that. Onweghị onye na-abịa. The other one is say bịara. Onweghị onye bịaranụ. Nke bụ onweghị onye na-abịanụ. Ebuka, I'm glad that you picked that one. Okay. Ebuka, the third one. Who will come?
Who will come boo onye gabia?
Onye ga-abịa. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Onye ga-abịa. Ngwa. Ansa ị ga-etinye ya n'oyibo na Igbo.
Nobody will come. Or nobody will come.
Okay. Nobody will come. Okay. Ngwa n'Igbo ya.
Onwegi onye gabianu.
Wait. Who will come? Okay, now the other one is onwegi. Everybody, I want you to pay attention to this, what we did here, because I know it can be confusing if you don't know it yet. But I'm glad that Ebuka put everything. Okay, let's see. I'm highlighting them. I'm not in that one. Let me leave that one. Onwe. Okay, Ebuka said onwe ye onye. Ebuka, gịnị ka ị kwuru ọzọ ka m? Onwegi onye mere gịnị?
Gabia.
Nobody will come. Onwegi onye ga-abịa. Onwegi onye ga-abịa, right? Onwegi onye ga-abịa. Okay, so ga, we use ga here. See the first one. The past tense say biara. Okay? Remember, kedu ihe ọzọ ọwụ na ọwụ gị bịara ka unu ga-ekwu. Onwegi onye bịara. So when you say nobody went, okay? Nobody went. What will it be?
Me?
Yes, Ebuka.
Nobody went. Onwegi onye gara.
Maọbụ onwegi onye.
Garanu.
Then there are the two ways you can do it.
Oh, onwegi
with the
onye jere.
There you go. That's what I'm looking for. So onwegi onye garanu, maọbụ onwegi onye jerenu. There you go. So you can say here, another answer is onwegi. When you say, no, question is, who went? Who went there? So, Ebuka ngwa kwugharịa ka m lee ma ị ga-azata ya.
Who
Who
went
went there? Wụ gịnị ka ọ bụ?
there?
Gịnị ka ọ
Onye.
wụ Ebuka? Gịnị wụ who went there?
Who went there boo? Onye gara neba.
Onye gara maọbụ onye jere, right?
Yeah.
Onye jere. Gịnị wụ dị ya?
Eba.
Ebe ahụ.
Ebe ahụ.
Yes, onye gara maọbụ onye jere ebe ahụ. Ahụ means there. Onye jere ebe ahụ. Of course, you know with the A, we should punctuate the U. So don't forget. I'm going to edit it later before posting. So now, the answer to this one will be Ebuka ngwa.
Sorry, I'm writing it down. So nobody went there.
Okay. Nobody went there. Okay. Ngwa n'Igbo.
Boo.
Ọkwụnụ nwere etu Ebuka shiri mee ya ugbu a. Taa ka m chọrọ ka onye ọbụla mee nke ya. Okay. Nobody went there.
Onwegi onye gara ebe ahụ.
Onwegi onye gara ebe ahụ maọbụ jere kwa ya. Onwegi onye gara, onye jere maọbụ gara ebe ahụ. Daalụ Ebuka. All right, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to do another one. We're going to see, probably I'll let two people do one or three people. So let's see. Okay. They are not here. Okay. They will not be there. And we have another one that says What am I doing? Okay. They are not there. Emeka, I want you to take number 1. They are not here.
They are not here, boo. Han anoge eba.
Anọghị ebe a. Daalụ.
Mbela.
Kamsi. No, Adanna. They will not be there.
Hanabia.
Huh?
Hanabia.
They will not be there. Her what? Again, what did you say? Well, I want everybody to hear you.
Hanabia.
Ha anaghị abịa. It should be. You see, that's what I say. Pay attention up there. You can't just say nah like that. So you have to know what to use when it's past tense, when it's present continuous, and when it's future tense. You have to pay attention to that. Okay. So we have here is. This is continuous tense. Okay. So this is continuous tense, present continuous tense. And when it comes to this one, this is future. This is future tense. So when you're doing this one, they will not be there. Ha agaghị anọ ebe ahụ. Ha agaghị anọ ebe ahụ. Ebe ahụ. Okay, Ikenna, can you do? Ị nwere ike ime nke a? Ikenna nọ ebe ahụ, ngwa nke atọ. Ikenna mee nke atọ. You all did not go. You all did not go there.
Unu niile
Mhm.
agaghị aga.
You all did not go there. This is past tense. Unu niile,
Oh, unu niile agaghị aga ebe ahụ.
No, if you say agaghị aga, it means the future. But this is past tense already. You're telling them that they didn't go there. You're getting it, but you're still missing it. Unu niile agaghị ebe ahụ. Unu niile agaghị ebe ahụ. But if you say agaghị aga, like ha agaghị anọ ebe ahụ, they will not be there, which is the future. But this one is already gone. It's already past. Unu niile agaghị ebe ahụ. You all did not go there. Ebe ahụ. You see the difference now? All right, Dalo. She came, she danced yesterday. No, she did not dance. She did not dance yesterday. We did not eat. Okay? We did not do it. We did not do it. You did not say it. Okay. Jacob, whenever. Okay. I didn't call Chiamaka. Chiamaka ngwa. Chiamaka. Okay, achọrọ m ka ime. She did not dance yesterday.
Ọ baga ụnyaahụ.
Omega again.
Ọ gbara ụnyaahụ.
Gene will dance. Dance will egwu.
Egwu.
Or gene dance will egwu. Chiamaka, now go ahead and make your sentence.
Egwu gị.
Okay, Kamsi, achọrọ m ka ị gbalịa.
Ọgba.
Does that mean that we are still struggling to understand the negative part of it? Kedu onye ga-enye aka ebe a? Kedu onye ga Uchenna? Uchenna ọ n'ebe ahụ? Uchenna ọ n'ebe a? Okay. I want you to do achọrọ m ka ime nke anọ.
Ọ gbaa gị
Ọ gbaa gị
egwu
egwu
ụnyaahụ.
Ụnyaahụ. There you go. Ọ gbaa gị egwu ụnyaahụ. Don't forget what we are trying to do here is how to do the negative. How to put things in a negative way. Ọ gbaa gị egwu ụnyaahụ. I guess next week also we're going to do vocabularies. Some words so you get to know your words. And another way to know your words is just making sentences, reading, and you pick few words from there. When you read Igbo words, okay? If you read Igbo passage a lot, that's where you're going to pick a lot of this vocabulary. Just like if you are the type that reads novel, you pick your English from there. So that's why we're gonna go back to reading again, but we're gonna finish this pronouns because a lot of you, just a handful of you are struggling to know when to put na, or ga, or gara, or jere. So that's why I'm revisiting it again. We have to get it today because we need to move forward. Okay, kedu onye na-akpọbe gị? Emeka, Adanna, Emeka, achọrọ m ka ime nke ise. We did not do it.
We did not do it, boo. And yeah.
Emeka, Anye, can you speak up, Emeka?
And yeah.
Are you still struggling to understand the negative part of this?
No, I'm trying to remember what to do was in Igbo.
Did you see number 4? Nkano? It's still the same pattern.
Oh.
All you need to, so what, you don't know what is did not do. How do you say I did it, Emeka? How will you say I did it? Chiamaka, how will you say I did it? Chiamaka, are you here? How will you say I did it?
Emere m ya.
Emerom ya ko emerem ya?
Oh, sorry. Emere m ya.
Emerem ya. Now, how, Emeka, can you answer nke ise ugbu a?
Anyị emere gị ya.
Anyị what?
Emere gị ya.
No, Emeka, I don't know what you're saying. That's not what anyị eme You're adding some words that you're not supposed
Oh,
to add.
emeghị ya.
Anyị emeghị ya. There you go. Anyị emeghị ya. Let me see onye nna akpọbeghị. O mere anyị Adanna. Achọrọ nke ime nke isii. Because I want to give you a chance to ask questions. Adanna, achọrọ nke ime nke isii.
Equiri.
You did not say it. You did not say it. Gịnị wụ
Equiri.
say? To say something. To say something again. To say is what? To say is equal. Equal is to say. To say means equal. We're going to do verb again. To say means equal. Now, you know what you're saying now. You did not say it. So I want you to tell us how to put it in Igbo. Kedu onye ga-enyere Adanna aka? Ebuka? Ebuka ọ nọ ebe a? Ebuka, ngwa mere anyị ya.
You did not say it.
Mm-hmm.
You did not say it, boo.
Mm-hmm. You see the meaning of say there? You see
Yeah.
the verb? To say means equal, which is the verb.
Ikugi.
Are you asking me or are you saying it?
Hold on 1 second.
I'm still waiting.
Okay. Ikugiya.
Ikwugiya. There you go. Ikwugiya. Ikwugi. That's all you need to do. Ikwugiya. Now, if you want to say, I didn't say it or I did not say it, what will you say, Ebuka? If you want to say, I did not say it.
Akugimya.
Again, Ebuka, this is what you said. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Ekugim. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
There you go. That's what I'm saying. Ekwugim. Yeah. Ekwugim. Yeah. Okay. So ekwugi. Yeah. There you go. So all you need to do, just practice this, make some sentences like this. Negative way. Your homework will be, everybody, 10 sentences in a negative form. 10, just whatever you want to do. Say 10 sentences in a negative form. And I don't want you to post it until Thursday night, like 10 p.m. I want you to go to the forum, but around 10 p.m., that's when I want you to post it. Do not send it to me, post it, but don't post it early. You can finish your own early, leave it. You can write it, handwrite. I don't want you to type it. Write it, and then, okay, take a picture of it and send to the forum around 10 p.m. on Thursday night. Even if you send it, maybe 9:50, that's fine. The reason I don't want you to send it early because I don't want somebody to finish and go change something. Make your own sentence. Do your own simple sentences like this, and then send it to me. Another thing you need to do, when we come to a class, you're going to be the one to say sound your own. I'm not gonna sound it to you. Okay? So you have to sound it because I want to make sure you can say them fluently. You have to practice. I notice that some of you don't even practice, don't even go over the class notes until the next time you come to class. No, that's nothing like reviewing. That's not how you're going to learn. So you have homework, 10 sentences, 1 to 10. Make your own sentences in a negative way, English and Igbo. Okay? Present, past tense, and future tense. Each of them should have it. That's what I want to see. Okay, o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ, welie aka gị elu. Even if it's not something about what we did today. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, now, let me say this because I'll start cleaning this. 1 second, let me stop recording.